Hidden far from public view, protected by multiple layers of security, stands one of the most restricted facilities in the country. Behind these walls begins a journey few people will ever witness.
Most people will never see this place. Hidden beneath layers of security lies one of the everyday. Behind these walls, a process begins that few people will ever witness. No single person can access this facility alone. Multiple layers of authorization are required. Every action is recorded. Every movement is monitored. Behind this door sits a system responsible for moving billions of rupees across the nation. Few people ever witness what happens here. Before a single note reaches a bank, it waits here. Protected by advanced security systems, every bundle is tracked, every movement is recorded. To understand how this note was created, we must return to where the journey began.
At first glance, these tiny transparent particles appear ordinary, but hidden inside this facility, they become the foundation of one of the most secure objects in circulation.
This is the moment everything changes. The raw material begins an irreversible transformation into the foundation of future currency.
For the very first time, the future banknote begins to take shape. What started as tiny pellets is now becoming something entirely different.
This is where counterfeiters lose the battle. Embedded directly into the material are security features impossible to create using ordinary methods.
The first denomination enters production. Layer by layer, the identity of the 100 rupees note begins to emerge. Next comes the 200 denomination. Every detail must be perfectly aligned before production can continue.
And finally, the denomination recognized across the nation. The 500 note receives some of the most advanced security technologies. Printing is only part of the story. Now the notes receive another layer of protection. Security elements designed to be instantly recognized, yet nearly impossible to reproduce.
No two notes are identical. Every note receives a unique identity that remains with it throughout its entire life.
Every note must survive one final examination. Even the smallest imperfection is enough for rejection.
Only after passing inspection can the notes continue their journey, counted, verified, and bundled with absolute precision.
The journey comes full circle. Protected by multiple layers of security, the finished currency waits for its next mission. National circulation. Every note represents circulation, engineering, innovation, and trust.